Hello to everyone at Eagle Roofing Products. I'm totally thrilled how my new roof turned out. I took some video of the before, the during, and the after, and I wanted to share that with all of you. Let's take a look. We removed a fake stone-coated tile roof that looked horrible, leaked, and had dents. Every roofer I spoke to about my remodel project recommend that I install a new Eagle tile roof. Your website and team at your design center was fantastic. Thank you so much, Eagle.